So far, I believe we've been in the realm where, you can do an incredible copywriting business or sort of like education service or whatever. But I don't believe we've yet seen the kind of people go after the trillion-dollar kind of thing. Google's Open Artificial Intelligence was founded with the goal of advancing the field of artificial intelligence and making it accessible to all their latest creations. Chat GPT is a language model that can generate human-like text, making it an individual tool for anyone looking to write scripts for their YouTube videos. With Chat GPT, all you have to do is provide a brief prompt, and the artificial intelligence will do the rest. If you want to come up with a recipe for a healthy breakfast, simply provide the prompt and let Chat GPT generate some delicious ideas. If you're in the mood for a laugh, simply provide the prompt jokes about dogs and watch Chat GPT churn out some canine-themed comedy. Yes, the artificial intelligence tool we've been discussing has been hard at work behind the scenes crafting the script. Let me tell you about my experience making it. First of all, I have to say I was a little skeptical at first. I mean, can a machine really write a script that sounds like a human? I started by providing a prompt to ChatGPT, something along the lines of a script for a YouTube video about ChatGPT, and then I just sat back and let it do its thing. To be honest, I was blown away by the results. ChatGPT generated a script that sounded like it was written by a human. It was engaging, informative, and even a little funny. I mean, who knew AI could be so clever? Of course, the script wasn't perfect. There were a few awkward phrases and grammatical errors here and there. But overall, I was impressed by how well ChatGPT was able to capture the tone and style of a human group. Okay, this is actually me. I promise this time. But honestly, it doesn't even need to be mean. I mean, you really couldn't be 100% sure it wasn't Chat again. If you ask it directly in a way that's easily digestible and comprehensible, it can execute a wide array of pretty simple but still very impressive coding tasks. One section of an industry that I believe has sort of ended itself are business writers' assistants who write emails. Clickbait article writers and anyone who posts on LinkedIn. All these styles of writing are extremely formulaic, and it doesn't really matter who writes them. The content differentiates the media, not the stylistic choices. I'm not saying that personality won't matter, it's just that more people will be able to express themselves in any way possible. I could literally ask the ChatGPT to write an essay defending why I should eat ice cream for dinner in the style of Obama's speeches. As this technology gets better and better, everyone will become a director eventually, and along the way, technology will become so good that you could basically build a product on your own, automate the advertising campaign script, and write a blog post. Create the visuals for the videos. It's not that humans won't be creative anymore. It's just that we are now able to do so more extensively and in broader ways with less holding us back. As the sun sets on another day, we are left to ponder the enigmatic nature of artificial intelligence in the grand scheme of things. We have created a machine, an entity not bound by the same limitations as we, and we must consider the consequences of our actions. A machine unburdened by morals or ethics. We must also recognize the potential benefits of artificial intelligence. It has the power to solve problems that have eluded us for centuries, to unlock the mysteries of the universe, and to improve the lives of people.